Well, this is Ocean Boulevard at about 13th South, heading south. The police just turned down there. See them?
They don't flying behind us.
Nah, they don't care about us. They're looking for looters and homeless people, people that are despairs. Like that fella right there. He know he ought not to be out walking around.
They got knocked over.
Uh-oh, look at that. That got knocked over.
Oh, yeah.
They pretty sign got tore slapped over.
The
Big old
palace.
chunk of roof.
That
I
was
bet
the
the-
palace sign that
Yeah.
was talking about. Oh.
I bet that your Palace sign or your Palace Theater's messed up.
Probably. Channel News 11.
Maybe we ought to have something printed up. Whoa, whoa, we got a piece of debris, Y'all, it's
Debris.
crazy down here.
There could be water spouts and shit. There's fucking flashing lights down there.
I
Heavy
see 'em.
winds. There are fucking cones. Shit's swirling around in circles.
It is crazy.
It's fucking water spout material, Wes.
Whoa.
Maybe we should drive further in.
Dude, that's still
We are ocean front. Yeah, y'all, the ocean looks angry today. There come the fire truck. Whoop, whoop. Fire truck in the house. Yes, that was some good footage. He did that just for us. Like, look at that fool out on the road. Look at all that swirling around. Hold on, we're going through one of them windy intersections. Yes. Oh my. Hope we don't get sucked up the Wizard of Oz. Alright. Your next installment will be Spring May Beach, likely, if I can make it there.